name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment. And if you are new here, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to be a very simple, easy DIY. My birthday was on the 23rd of this month and I made myself a headpiece complementing my dress. My dress was made by my friend, so I just told her to give me the pieces that was left off and I was going to figure out something with it. I was so excited about how it turned out. I got a lot of compliment where I posted my pictures from the photo shoot I did, and I'm just going to show you how I made this headpiece. So let's just get right to the video.
Guys, these are the materials we are going to need for this DIY. I'm also going to leave a list in the description box below, so please be sure to check it out. So the first thing you're going to need is this plain headband, which is going to serve as the base, and the next thing you're going to need is foam, which is going to serve as the cover up for the base. So what you're going to do next is measure the headband and use the same measurements to cut the foam into slices. So because I got this thin foam, it's easier for me to cut it into slices. If you're getting a heavier foam, you might not need as much slices as I've cut out. But if you're getting this thin foam, if you want the headband to be bigger, you're going to need more slices. I just cut out 4 slices and I made sure that it went round the headband. So the next thing I did was to glue the slices to the headband. After gluing the first slice to the headband, I glue the other 3 slices on top of each other. What you're going to do next is trim all around the excess foam to fit the headband. Then because the material that I'm going to be using is transparent, I'm also going to be using a lining. So the lining is what I'm going to use to cover up the headband first before using the lace. So I just cut out the lining to fit the headband, then I started going around it with the glue gun. The next thing I did was to go around it again with the lace. So this time, instead of using the glue gun, I'm using needle and thread because the lace was not a lot. In order to make it cleaner and less messy, I decided to go with needle and thread.
If you like these videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Please like so that YouTube can know that you like my videos and also get more people to watch my videos. Do not forget to share with your friends. If you think they will be interested in this kind of videos, please share with them. Be nice. Also, do not forget to subscribe. The subscribe button is somewhere down there, that red button. Please subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 1K, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Peace.